Have you ever wondered what statistical trends you could find in government records? Me neither! That's why today, I'm going to be taking you on a journey through time, space, and awkwardly forced jokes in order to show you the wonderful world of FBI crime statistics. The FBI recently released a 20-year record of all the reported crimes and crime rates from 1997 to 2016. The report details a variety of different types of crimes, but for time's sake, we'll focus on the broad topic of violent crime. According to the FBI, violent crimes are offenses that include force or threat of force. Such as these. Ew. But how do you calculate the crime rate? You might ask if you were wondering how to calculate the crime rate. Well, it's simple. You just divide the total number of reported crimes by the total number of the population, and then multiply the resulting number by 100,000, which gives you the crime rate. And that's useful for dealing with large quantities of things, like crimes. But before we get into what the data actually shows, I'll give a brief explanation of how the FBI gathered it. Now, because they're the FBI and they have access to every single law enforcement agency in the US, they took their data from the total population instead of just using a sample. However, despite the fact that they took their data from the total US population, it should be stated that the FBI's data is not necessarily 100% accurate. This is because they still did have to account for a few law enforcement agencies that didn't send in their reports. To do this, they estimated the numbers. They estimated these figures by using records from nearby agencies and proportionally adjusting them to fit the population size, type of jurisdiction, and geographic location from the non-reporting agencies. Now, it's great that the FBI collected this data and released the records, but because of the government and they're legally obligated to be boring or something, they decided not to release any arguments or try to prove any points with their own data. I mean, they didn't even make any graphs. Is it really too much to ask for graphs? So, because the FBI didn't do anything interesting with their data, it's up to me to do that. What I decided to do was compare violent crimes before and after 9/11. Overall, violent crime has decreased significantly since 9/11. The mean of violent crime before 2001 is this number, and the mean of violent crime after 2001 is this number.
I'm sorry, I tried to stop
Hello, cat. The likelihood of a violent crime has also gone down. Before 9/11, the average probability of a violent crime was about 0.56%. Now, after 9/11, the average probability has decreased by 0.12% down to 0.44%. Cool. I should really get out of this person's house. So, now that I've presented the facts, there's only one thing left to do. Conspiracy theory time. But first, a toast. To continuity. Why did the numbers decrease significantly after 9/11? Why has the population increased significantly while the crime rate has not? Was the decrease in crime the result of the security crackdown after the incident? Why am I asking so many questions? Probably to make myself seem smarter. Anyways, that's it.
FBI, you're under arrest for sharing FBI secrets. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, favorite, retweet, turn on notifications, follow, and subscribe.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop